case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that shook the music world, acclaimed musicians were awarded significant damages in a breach of contract lawsuit against Gusto Records and G.M.L. The dispute centered around unpaid royalties and murky contract language, thrusting the artists into a legal battle with the record companies. Artists like B.J. Thomas, Shirley Owens Alston, Doris Coley Jackson, Beverly Lee, Addie Harris McFadden, and Gene Pitney contended with Gusto and G.M.L. in a quest for their rightful earnings. The contracts they had inked with Scepter Records, Inc. contained ambiguous language regarding royalties from domestic and foreign licensing, prompting the court to step in and determine the true intentions of the involved parties. The record companies appealed the decision, asserting that the contractual language was clear and that industry customs and practices should not be considered in determining royalties. Crucial financial records, withheld by the defendants, were crucial for the court to determine the rightful amount owed to the plaintiffs. Despite the defendants' insistence, the court upheld its decision. Gusto Records, Inc. and G.M.L. were found liable and ordered to cough up the withheld financial records, along with the owed royalties. In an interesting twist, Gusto and G.M.L. tried to make a case based on New York law, but the court decided that Tennessee law should be applied as the relevant jurisdiction. The plaintiffs held their ground, resulting in a victory not just for them but for industry norms as a whole. Damages were computed based on their professional experts' testimony, considering the defendants' unorthodox bookkeeping habits. The refusal of the court to strike off the increased damage award further underlined the significance of accurate and thorough financial record-keeping. The final judgment of the district court, therefore, was a reaffirmation of fair and decent practices in the music industry. By upholding the award of $843,209.89 plus prejudgment interest and ordering the release of withheld records, the court offered a stern warning about the conduct the industry will not tolerate. The musicians emerged victorious, echoing a critical message for others in their industry. Justice, no matter how complicated the path, could be achieved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.